ताले चलतु आमे भारत संविधान उपरे किछि एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिबा द्वारा कि किछि निहाती मन मध्य डिस्कशन करिबा द्वारा मन रहि जिवो एवं ता आपनकर परवर्ती मुहूर्त काम रे लागिबो। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द फेडरल कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ईयर? The Federal Court of India was established in which of the following year? Option A 1935, option B 1937, option C 1946, option D 1947. So guess the answer. The answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer, 1937. Number 2 question की जीवा, the power of the president to issue ordinance is really of which act? भारत राष्ट्रपति ऑर्डिनेंस जारी कर पावर को एक्ट रे अच्छी? ऑप्शन ए जीओआई एक्ट 1919, जीओआई एक्ट 1935, then 1909, इंडिपेंडेंट एक्ट 1947. सेकंड क्वेश्चन रो आंसर कोटा होची ऑप्शन बी जीओ एक्ट 1935. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 डिस्कशन करिबा। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 रे कोन अछि देखिबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु वाज द फर्स्ट इलेक्टेड चेयरमैन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली? Who was the first chairman? Option A Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, option B Sachidananda Sinha, option C Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option D Dr. Radhakrishnan. Guess the answer. Answer C is the correct answer, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the right answer. We know Dr. Sachidananda Sinha is temporarily chair the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly which was held in 19th December. In 19th December किए फास्ट ये करले सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा। या भीतर आउ कन्फ्यूजन हेबे नहीं। तापर परमानेंट चेयरमैन किए हेले द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली इलेक्टेड डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद as permanent chairman on 11th December 1946. So the correct answer is option C. Number 4, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Indian Constitution रा ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी चेयरमैन किए थिले? ऑप्शन ए भीमराव अंबेडकर, ऑप्शन बी डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, ऑप्शन सी डॉक्टर सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा, ऑप्शन डी सी राजगोपालाचारी. तो 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए. ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question, the first draft of the constitution was prepared by whom? भारत संविधान फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट किए तैयारी करिथिले? ऑप्शन ए डॉक्टर बी आर आम्बेडकर, ऑप्शन बी बी एन राव, ऑप्शन सी के सनातनम, ऑप्शन डी के एम मुंशी. द फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वाज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय whom? कहा द्वारा भारतर संविधान प्रथम ड्राफ्ट प्रस्तुत करा जाइथिला? द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. Because you know the first draft of the constitution was prepared by the constitutional advisor B.N. Rao. B.N. Rao was the constitutional advisor which was put before the drafting committee for discussion and opinion and changes in original draft proposed by him. Included 243 articles and 13 schedules. So answer number 5, the correct answer is option B. Then the question number Then the question number 6, Indian Constitutional Assembly was established under which act? Government of India Act 1935, Cripps Mission Act 1940, option C Cabinet Mission 1946, option D Indian Independence Act 1947. So the correct answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer, Cabinet Mission 1946. Question number 7. How were the members of the Constitutional Assembly elected? ଭାରତ ସମ୍ବିଧାନ ଆସେମ୍ବଲିର ମେମ୍ବରମାନେ କେମିତି ଇଲେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ହେଉଥିଲେ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି ବାଇ ପବ୍ଲିକ୍, ଅପସନ୍ ବି ନୋମିନେଟେଡ୍ ବାଇ କଂଗ୍ରେସ, ଅପସନ୍ ସି ନୋମିନେଟେଡ୍ ବାଇ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ରୁଲର, ଅପସନ୍ ଡି ବାଇ ପ୍ରୋଭିନ୍ସିଆଲ ଆସେମ୍ବଲିଜ୍. So question number 7, the correct answer is option D. Option D is the correct answer, by the provincial assemblies. Then question number 8, who chaired the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly? Option A Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, option B Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option C Dr. Sachidananda Sinha, option D Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who chaired the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly? भारत संविधान आसेम्बली फास्ट मीटिंग किए चेयर करथिले? तो ऑप्शन डी रो करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ऑप्शन 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 रो करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी डॉक्टर सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा. Then question number 9. Then question number Constituent Assembly of India established in which year? କେଉଁ ବର୍ଷ ଭାରତର ସମ୍ବିଧାନର ଆସେମ୍ବଲି ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶ ହୋଇଥିଲା? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ 10 ଜୁନ୍ 1946, ଅପସନ୍ ବି 9 ଡିସେମ୍ବର 1946, ଅପସନ୍ ସି 26 ନଭେମ୍ବର 1949, ଅପସନ୍ ଡି 26 ଡିସେମ୍ବର 1949. The correct answer is option B, 19 December 1946. Then go to question number 10. How many sessions of the Indian Constituent Assembly were conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitutions? ଭାରତର ସମ୍ବିଧାନ ଫର୍ମୁଲେସନ୍ ପାଇଁ କେତେଟା ସେସନ୍ ହୋଇଥିଲା? Question number 10. The correct answer is option number C, 12. 12ଟା ସେସନ୍ ହୋଇଥିଲା. Because we know the Constituent Assembly took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete in historic task of drafting of the constitutions. During this period, there are 11 sessions covering a total of 165 days. Apart from these 11 sessions, one more session was held in 24 January 1950. Then question number 11. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the constitutions? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru, option B B.R. Ambedkar, option C B.N. Rao, option D Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer of the question 11 ro correct answer hochi option A. Option A is the correct answer. Then question number 12. How much time the Constituent Assembly took frame the Constitution of India? Constitution Assembly तैयारी करने ପାଇଁ the frame केते दिन समय लागिथिला? Option A 2 years 11 months 18 days, option B 2 years 7 months 23 days, option C 3 years 4 months 14 days, option D 3 years 11 months and 5 days. The correct answer is option A. Option A is the correct answer. 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Then question number 13. Who was the constitutional advisor at the time of the formation of the constitutions? Who was the constitutional advisor? Option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option C, B.N. Rao. Option C, K. Munshi. The correct answer is option C, K.M. Munshi. Then question number 14. Who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? Who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? Option A, Sri Rajagopalachari. Option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option C, J.B. Kripalani. Option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. National Flag Committee रो चेयरमैन किए थिले? क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. There are two flag committee. The flag committee constituted on 2nd April 1931 at Karachi session, and then an ad hoc committee on national flag was formed 23rd June 1947. Dr. Rajendra Prasad at the question is about chairman of the flag committee constituted by Constitutional Assembly, so that the correct answer is option number B is the correct answer. Then question number 15. The question number 15. Constitution's Day of India celebrated on which dates? Option A, 26th October. Option B, 26th November. Option C, 26th January. Option D, 15th August. भारत संविधान दिवस केबे सेलिब्रेटेड हेउछि केबे? ऑप्शन बी, 26th November. 26th November, option B is the correct answer. Then question number 16. Year of birth and death of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. भारत संविधान प्राण प्रतिष्ठाता डॉक्टर बी.आर. आंबेडकर जन्म तारीख केबे एवं तार तिरोधान केबे होइतिला? ऑप्शन ए 1886 and 1951. Option B 1891, 1956. And option C 1877, 1961. Option D 1889 and 1961. So the correct answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. In which year was Jana Gana Mana adopted as the national anthem of India? We know our national anthem होची Jana Gana Mana अधिनायक आपण माने बोलुथिबे तो सेटा केबे adopted होइतिला? Option A 1948, option B 1949, option C 1950, option D 1951. So the correct answer is option C, 1950. Then question number 18. Constituent Assembly was Congress and Congress was the India. Who said this? Again I repeat the question. Constituent Assembly was Congress and Congress was India. Who said this? Option A Austin, option B C.R. Attell, option C Winston Churchill, option D Lord Mountbatten. Guess the answer, and the right answer is option A, Austin. Then question number 19. Who in the beginning presented the idea of the Indian Constituent Assembly in pre-independence day? Option A M.N. Rai, ऑप्शन बी डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर, ऑप्शन सी अन्नी बेसांत, ऑप्शन डी जवाहरलाल नेहरू. The answer of 19 question is option A, M.N. Rai. Number 20. The concept of judicial review. The concept of judicial review in India has been adopted from the constitution of option A, UK, option B, USA, option C, USSR, option D, Australia. The answer of the question number 20 is option B, USA. Option B, USA. Then question number 21. Question number. The idea of preamble has been borrowed in Indian constitutions from the constitution of who? Which country? Option A, Italy. Option B, Canada. Option C, France. Option D, USA. द आइडिया ऑफ प्रिएम्बल करिवार जो आइडियाटा आम क्यों देशर संविधान को पर्यालोचना करिछे. ऑप्शन नंबर डी यूएसए. ऑप्शन नंबर डी यूएसए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. इन इंडियन पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम व्हिच वन इज सुप्रीम. इंडियन political system which one is supreme. Option A, the Supreme Court. Option B, the Constitution. Option C, the Parliament. Option D, the religion. So the correct answer is the Constitution. So option B is the right answer. Now we discuss 23 number question. The Indian federalism is based on the pattern of which country? Option A, USA. Option B, Canada. Option C, Australia. Option D, Germany. Guess the answer, and the answer of the 23 question is option A, USA. Question number 24. The concurrent list included in India Constitution is given by option A, the Soviet Union. Option B, Australia. Option C, Italy. Option D, Canada. The right answer is option B, Australia. Question number 25. The idea of fundamental rights was borrowed from the constitutions. From which country? The idea of fundamental rights. आमर 7 fundamental rights अच्छी आमे क्यों देशर संविधान को अनुध्यान करी तैयारी करिछे. ऑप्शन ए यूएसए. ऑप्शन बी कनाडा. ऑप्शन सी ब्रिटेन. ऑप्शन डी रूसिया. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए यूएसए. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए यूएसए. तो अराउंड 25 क्वेश्चन आम डिस्कसन कले. आशा करी समस्त किसी ना किसी निहाती मन रहिबो. एवं आउ 3टी क्वेश्चन मु आपण मानकू देउछि. आपण निजे करिवे, मु कमेंट बॉक्स रे जणाइबे. आशा करी संपूर्ण वीडियोटी आपण भल भाव में मोर पूर्वर वीडियोटी भल भाव देखिथिबार आपण अशेष धन्यवाद. अधिक अधिक शेयर करंतु, वीडियोटी को सब्सक्राइब करंतु.